Genius Kids. Cultivating love for learning.
Chapter 14. Electric current. Knowledge acquisition. The flow of negatively charged electrons through a conductor generates electric current. The flow of electrons is from negative to positive terminal, and that of current is in the opposite direction. An electric circuit is combination of electricity source, device to be operated, and all other accessories like switch and wires. Electric current has many effects like heating effect, magnetic, and a chemical effect. A fuse is a device incorporated in a circuit so as to break it down under any faulty condition. A magnet produced by flow of electric current is an electromagnet. Discussion. Susie, Kash, Jack have already understood. Jack, please read electric current, explain me later. Electric current. The flow of negatively charged electrons through a conductor generates electric current. Electric circuit. The path of flow of current is called as electric circuit. An electric circuit comprises of a cell or a battery, connecting wires, a switch of a device to be operated. Electric current flows from a positive terminal of the cell or battery towards its negative terminal. An electric circuit can be an open or a closed circuit. A circuit in which the flow of electric current is complete and is not interrupted at any point is called closed circuit, whereas the circuit in which the flow of electric current is interrupted is called an open circuit. Different components of an electric circuit. 1. Battery. Battery is formed by combining two or more cells. Cells can be connected either in series or in parallel. In the case of series connection, positive terminal of one cell is connected with the negative terminal of another, whereas in the case of parallel connection, positive terminals of different cells are connected with each other, and negative terminals of different cells are also connected in order to leave one positive and one negative end. Critical thinking. You connect the cells in series to double the voltage while maintaining the same capacity. While in parallel, you double the capacity while maintaining the same voltage. 2. Connecting wire. These are usually made of copper with a plastic insulation. Symbol for a connecting wire. 3. Resistance. The flow of electric current through an electric circuit is resisted by a resistance. Resistance comprises of a wire of nichrome, tungsten, manganese, lead, etc. terminated on both sides by a brass terminal. Resistance may be fixed or variable. Symbol for a fixed resistance or a resistor. Symbol for variable resistance. 4. Inductor. It plays the role of a magnet in the passage of electric current. It is made of an insulated copper coil. Symbol for inductor. 5. Switch. It is also called as a plug key or single key. Switch is said to be open when no electric current flows through the circuit, and it is closed when current flows through it. Symbol for an open switch. Symbol for a closed switch. Potential difference. The electric potential energy of a unit charge at a point in a circuit is called the potential at that point. The potential difference between 2 points in a circuit is the work done in moving unit charge from one point to the other. Effects of current. 1. Heating effect of current. Electric current, as it passes through a conductor, heats up the region surrounding it. The amount of heat generated depends on the material of conductor, its shape and size, its thickness, and the magnitude of the current. Length of conductor, directly proportional to heating effect. Thickness of conductor, Inversely proportional to 1 upon heating effect. Resistance. Inversely proportional to 1 upon heating effect. Applications of heating effect of the current. There are a number of appliances based on heating effect of current as depicted. The element or the metal coil in these appliances gets heated up because of this effect and thus gives the desired result. Critical thinking. Galvanometer is a device which is used to direct the flow of current through the circuit, whereas ammeter measure the magnitude of current. Undesirable heating effect. Undesirable heating of appliances due to an unwanted excessive supply of current can damage them. To tackle with the problem, a safety device called electric fuse can be used. An electric fuse consists of a metal wire made up of an alloy of tin and lead. If current more than specified flows through it, the fuse melts down and thus blocks the electric supply. Symbol for an electric fuse. 2. Magnetic effect of current. Current carrying wire produces magnetic field around it, thus it behaves like a magnet. This fact was first studied by Hans Christian Ørsted. Electromagnetism is a branch of science dealing with the relationship between electricity and magnetism. Electromagnet. An electromagnet is a type of magnet in which a field is produced by electric current. The magnetic field disappears when the current is turned off. Making such magnets is quite simple. You simply have to wrap some insulated copper wire around an iron core and connect the wire to a battery. Applications of magnetic effects of electric current. There are a number of appliances based on magnetic effect of electric current as depicted. Electric doorbell. Electric doorbell consists of A. Electromagnet, B. An armature, C. Iron bar mounted on a contact spring, D. Contact screw, E. Gong, F. Hammer. Working of an electric bell. First of all, the switch is pressed. Current flows through the electromagnetic coil, that is, the copper wire wrapped across the electromagnet. As a result, magnetic field is generated. Iron armature is attracted in turn. Hammer thus strikes the gong and produces ringing sound of the bell. As the hammer strikes, contact between screw and armature is broken up, thereby breaking the circuit. This prevents continuous ringing of the bell all the time. Critical thinking. While using electromagnets, do not switch on the current for more than a few seconds at a time. The electromagnet weakens the cell quickly if left connected. Continuous review. Electric current is generated by the flow of negatively charged electrons. Electric circuit that allows the flow of current is an open circuit, and that which does not allow current flow is a closed circuit. Battery is formed by combining two or more cells. Resistance resists the flow of current. Different effects of current include heating effect and magnetic effect. Excessive supply of current overheats the appliances and thus damages them.
Like, share and subscribe.